Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Dan here from Flexxable. um, really just wanted to record a quick video today. I want to show you what my kind of home office looks like and what we're doing as a family here in the Wardrope household. And also just discuss a few things on kind of looking after yourself during these kind of troubling times, because looking after yourself physically and mentally is going to be really important for you to be able to get through the challenges that we're all facing at the moment. So firstly, my office environment, don't expect anything too crazy and organized here. It's an absolute shit show, to be honest with you. And we're still trying to figure it out. Today's the first day of homeschooling. My wife and I are both trying to work from our room at the front of the house. We don't have an office set up in our home just because we've been so close to my office and my wife's work that we haven't even thought about getting it set up. So we're struggling at the moment, but this is what my working environment looks like. It's not sexy, it's not organized, in fact, it's chaos. So if you're experiencing the same thing, don't worry about it, we all are. So this is my makeshift desk. I'm over here looking at the sofa where I've just chucked all of my wife's stuff this morning as I got up at my usual 5 o'clock. I've just had my phone call with my people, which I'll talk about in a moment. And here is my jacket just thrown down onto the sofa as per normal, and all of my wife's stuff, some flowers, I don't know where they came from. And we've got a little makeshift tent here, which we bought for the kids on Amazon, which is pretty cool. We had them sleeping in there last night for a couple of hours, and we picked them up and put them in their own bed. But anything like this, I think, is valuable for the kids at the moment. So that was a bit of fun. Got a drinks cabinet, some books, some games, I think. Yeah, there's some cards over here that we haven't played for ages, which is which was nice to kill a bit of time over the weekend. One thing I would say is that we need to start looking after ourselves physically and emotionally. The last 2 weeks have been really tough, and it's only going to get worse as we see the number of cases and fatalities rise. So we need to be looking after ourselves emotionally, and for me that is going to bed early, getting up early, doing some meditation each morning, and just looking after your mental health, because patience levels are going to be tough. First day of homeschooling, both of myself and my wife trying to work and deal with the all of the emotional stress that's going on. So that's going to be tough. So first of all, go to bed early, get up early, meditate where you can. And the second thing is start doing some exercise, right? I've been an avid gym goer for the last 4 or 5 years, 4 times a week, which has been really great. And over the last 2 weeks, I've done next to nothing because the gyms have pretty much been shut, and we're just trying to get on with life, and exercise has been one of the things that I've put in the too hard basket. And there's no doubt that has not done me well. So from today, I'm making that promise myself to start exercising again, find some home workout programs. We've been trying to buy some gym stuff online, but of course there's not much left. So that exercise, meditation, getting good sleep is really going to do wonders, because it's going to help with your patience levels and being able to get used to this new lifestyle that we're going to have to work out how to deal with over the next 3 months, probably more. So yeah, quick update this morning. Nothing too major or technical to talk about, more of a kind of showing you my situation and what I'm up to and what I'm trying to work on. And hopefully you can take a few tidbits from this and start improving your home situation as well. Take care.